we move on to the next set of awards. May I please request Mr. Suneet John, Executive Committee Member at Club Bengaluru, to escort Mr. Umanath V, Managing Editor, MediaNewsForYou.com. First award in this set is for Creative Excellence, Consumer Durables Electronics. The silver in this category goes to Real Tribe for Sony. Real Tribe! Real Tribe is busy eating. They will clap. Please wait. Chechi! Chechi vannalle! Chechi cheya vannalle! Mindshare is being very mindful. Oh, Cheta. Okay. The next award is for Design Excellent, Website Design. The silver in this category goes to Bud for the doors. I'm sure Bud is here. Yes, yes, correct. Yeah! She's so excited. The next award is for Media Excellence, Media Innovations, Celebs, Brand Ambassadors and Influencer Marketing. The silver in this category goes to Wavemaker for Oreo. Wavemaker, can we have you on stage, please? Silver, silver. And please kindly stay back because you are winning the gold in this category along with Mindshare. Mindshare is winning this for Britannia Croissant. Sir. You are also winning the gold, sir. Wavemaker for Bisleri. Creative, very creative. The next is for Creative Excellence, Consumer Services, Others. The silver in this category goes to Tempest for Dave and Buster's. Anyone representing Tempest? Yes, sir. Please, can you make it faster? Come on, sir. Faster. The gold in this category goes to the cheerful ladies of Bud. Come back! You're winning this for Wellbeing Plus. Congratulations, ladies. The next award is for... I understand the enthusiasm, gentlemen. Next award is for Digital Excellence, Digital Brand Campaign. The silver in this award goes to Wavemaker for Colgate. Sir, somebody from Wavemaker has to come, sir. They're deciding. You go, no. You go. And the gold in this category goes to Deep. படுத்துறீங்கப்பா The gold in this category goes to Deep Sense for ITC Ashirwad. Anyone from Deep Sense? Yes, sir. Please join us on stage. கரெக்ட்டா பண்றீங்க. நான் பண்ணி முடிச்சத பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே? The next award is for Media Excellence, Media Strategy, Consumer Products. The silver in this category goes to Mindshare for Rin Liquid. And the gold in this category goes to Wave Maker for Bisleri. Makeup, somebody come! Somebody do that. Alright, the next award is for Creative Excellence, Health, Fitness and Wellness. The silver and the gold goes to Be Positive 24 Innovation for Asana. Sir, what is the turnover, monthly turnover, sir, for your company? All awards they are only taking. What is the monthly turnover, sir? Ajay, sir. What is the monthly turnover, sir? Company secret. சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க. சரி பரவாயில்லை. They've got the entire team to Bengaluru. Well done, well done, well done. Sendil, both Sendil. The final award in this set is for Media Excellence, Events and Brand Activations. Brand Activation. The silver in this category goes to WPP Open Door for Amazon. And the gold in this category, Vanga, Mindshare, Bunny for Taj Mahal. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you, Mr. Umanath, for joining us today. I would request Mr. Sunit to give away a memento for him on behalf of Ad Club Bengaluru. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for joining us.